Hello. If during class a student lets you know that they cannot see, or a class or a teacher that the students cannot see the exam, what you have to do is go to the class and verify that first of all the tile of the corresponding exam is not hidden. You could see if it's hidden because it's a little bit more pale than when you could see it and it says hidden from students. And also you have to see if inside the tile the exam is also not hidden itself. For you to make it visible with the tile, you click here on Edits next to the tile and click on Show Tile. For you to see the activities, you click here where it says Expand, and then next to the activity, for example here, you click Edits and click Make Available. Okay, if it's hidden, if it's available, you would see that the color changes. So you click on Make Unavailable. Okay, so that's what could happen if the students cannot see the exam. If not, otherwise you just tell them to refresh. They should be able to see it, or you could go into the Zoom account, tell the student to share the screen to see what's happening and for you to help them out. Okay, so that's what you could do if students cannot see it. It could possibly be those situations that it's hidden and you need to unhide it, or that probably they're having an internet issue and you tell them to share the screen to see what's the issue. Okay, I hope this video has been useful.